In this video, I'm gonna create the app.js file and install some plugins as well. So in package.json, I said that the main script is app.js, so I need to create it. So I'm gonna create a new JavaScript file and call it app. Okay. And in Node, basically, you get a bit of functionality with Node itself, but for more or less everything, you need to install a module or a plugin. So I'm gonna install a few now. To install, I'm gonna say npm install -- save, and I'm gonna install Express, which is an MVC framework for Node. And to install more than one package at a time, you use a space. So I'm gonna say space ejs, which is templating for Express. And it seems to have been installed. In package.json now, I can see I have these dependencies now and EJS and Express. So it means that's installed, and there's also this node modules folder now. And in app.js, I need to include the plugins that I want to use. So I'm gonna say up here var express is gonna be equal to require express. And I'm also gonna need a path, and this path comes with Node. So require path as well. And here I'm gonna say initialize app, and I'm gonna say var app is equal to express, like so. And I also need to set up the views folder and the view engine. So I'm gonna say here view engine setup. And to set the folder, I'm gonna say app.set, and I'm gonna call it views, and the path to it is gonna be path.join and double underscore dir name comma views. So I need to create that folder. And to set the templating engine, I'm gonna say app.set and view engine and EJS here. So now I can use EJS. And I'm also gonna set up the public folder, or set the public folder, so I can use static files as well. So for that, I'm gonna say app.use and express.static. And here I'm gonna say path join dir name comma and public is what I'm gonna call it. So now I'm gonna create the folders that I'm gonna be using. So I need the views folder and a models folder and the public folder and routes. Okay. And down here I'm gonna say start the server, and I'm gonna specify a port which is gonna be 3000. It doesn't have to be, I'm just gonna have it like so. And then I'm gonna say app.listen and the port number, and I'm gonna have a callback that's gonna console log server listening started actually on port and port number. And to test this, I'm gonna say here app.get, so this is a get request, and the slash, which means home or the index, and I'm gonna have a callback with request and response as arguments, and I'm just gonna send some text to the page. So I'm gonna say res send and working. So to test this, I need to start the server here, but instead of saying node and app.js, I'm gonna use nodemon, which automatically restarts the server when it detects JS changes, so I don't need to do that manually. And to install it, you can say npm install -g to install it globally and nodemon. Okay, I have it already. So I'm gonna say nodemon app.js, and it says here server started on port 3000. So if I go to that, I see working here. So it works. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.